Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you can buy smart and live smarter. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. In the left corner, we have the Roborock Q Revo, coming in at a whopping $899. And in the right corner, the budget-friendly Lefant M210 Pro at just $209. Let's see which one will clean up the competition. Buckle up because this is going to be one dusty ride. First things first, let's talk price. The Roborock Q Revo is priced like it comes with a free butler, while the Lefant M210 Pro is more like your friendly neighborhood helper. At $899, the Roborock could make your wallet cry, but hey, it's packed with features. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro is just $209, leaving you with some extra cash for, actual snacks. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Lefant takes the cake, or should I say, the dust bunny. Now on to the cleaning features. The Roborock Q Revo has dual spinning mops that spin at 200 RPM. It's basically breakdancing on your floor while cleaning up soda spills and dried-on messes. With 30 water flow levels, it's like having a customizable cleaning playlist. Meanwhile, the Lefant M210 Pro comes with 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning, ensuring no corner is left untouched. So if you want a robot that can dance and clean, go for the Roborock. But if you're into a multi-talented performer, Lefant's got you covered. Next up, obstacle avoidance. The Roborock Q Revo uses reactive tech obstacle avoidance with PreciSense LiDAR navigation. It's like having a mini Terminator that detects and avoids potential hazards with precision. On the flip side, the Lefant M210 Pro uses FreeMove 3.0 technology with 6D built-in anti-collision infrared sensors. It's more like a ninja, dodging obstacles and sneaking under furniture. So whether you want a Terminator or a ninja, the choice is yours. Let's talk about suction power. The Roborock Q Revo boasts a massive 5,500 pascals suction power. It's like having a mini tornado in your house, sucking up everything in its path. The Lefant M210 Pro, while not as powerful, has a unique suction mouth design that's great for pet hair. It's like a pet hair magnet, making it perfect for all you fur parents out there. So if you want to suck up everything, including your will to live, go for Roborock. If pet hair is your main enemy, Lefant's your buddy. Lastly, convenience. The Roborock Q Revo comes with a multifunctional dock that washes and dries the mop, and even self-empties. It's basically a self-sufficient cleaning station. You can ignore it for up to 7 weeks. The Lefant M210 Pro, on the other hand, connects to an app faster than you can say, "Clean my house." With Smart App and voice controls, you can boss it around via Alexa or Google Assistant. So if you want to set it and forget it, Roborock is your go-to. But if you love telling your gadgets what to do, Lefant's got your back. Let's summarize what the reviewers are saying about these two products. For the Roborock Q Revo, reviewers love its strong suction, advanced navigation, and customizable mopping features. They did have some initial setup issues, but these were resolved with firmware updates. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro is praised for its ease of use, excellent pet hair cleaning, and affordability. However, some users found it a bit loud and had issues with the app on Android phones. Alright, Buy Smart family, that's a wrap. The Roborock Q Revo is for those who want an all-in-one cleaning beast and don't mind splurging. The Lefant M210 Pro is for budget-conscious folks who need a reliable, pet-friendly vacuum. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, whether you go high-end or budget, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another smart buying guide. See you next time. Product links are in the description.